welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you one of the newest trends and most popular, which is the Be Happy trend by Dixie. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is 1, 2. So left, right. Once again, left, right. And then we're going to clap. So left, right, clap. Once again, left, right, clap. And then we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to cross our arms, but we're going to do it twice. So we don't have enough time to do it like this. So we're going to go 1, 2, like that. So 1, 2. So from the beginning, it will look like this. 1, 2, clap, 1, 2. So after this, we're going to do like this. So she says be happy, right? So first we're going to smile here, and then we're not going to smile. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, smile, not smile. And I'm going to show you what's after, but first let's do it from the beginning again. So 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so after this, we're going to tilt a little bit to the right, and then we're going to go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2, like that. So we're going to do a wave with our right hand. I think everyone knows how to do a wave like this. It's 1, 2, like that. So let's do it from the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, smile, not smile, wave, wave, like that. So the wave again is going to be pretty fast. So it's 1, 2, like that. Once again, 1, 2. Okay, so after this, look at this and try to remember. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let's do that slower. So first we're gonna go like this. So we're gonna do a circle with our right arm like that. So right arm, and then it does a circle. It goes over our head, over here, and then our other hand crosses over. So once again, that part. 1 circle, 2 and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do it from that part again, and then we'll do it from the beginning. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's not really important where we end. We can end here or here. It doesn't matter. However it turns out, just do it like that. So once again, and then we'll do it from the beginning. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now let's do it from the beginning. A little bit faster. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, smile, not smile, wave, wave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6. So after this, what we're gonna do, this is like the hardest part, so that's done. We're gonna go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So these are circles with our wrist, so just circle, circle. Once again, circle, circle. Once again, circle, circle. So from here, we're gonna go circle, circle, and we're gonna look at our hand. So we're over here looking to the camera, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So let's do it from the very beginning, and then we'll go on because we don't have much left, actually. So like that, you can see how easy this dance actually is to learn. So let's go. 1, 2, clap, cross, cross, smile, not smile, wave, wave. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, we are going to cover our face like this, first with our right hand, then our left hand. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Okay, so after this, our hands are going to the side, so it doesn't really matter what we do with our legs right now. So 1, like that. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Once again, 3, 4. Like that. So let's do it from the very beginning and then we'll go on. Ready? 1, 2, clap, cross, cross, smile, not smile, wave, wave. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. So after this, we're gonna go to the same position we were before, but our hands are in fists, like this. So we're still gonna cover our face, right? And then we're gonna go 1, like that. So cover and then down. Once again, cover, down. So and after this, the last step is doing 1, 2, 3. So 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3. So let's do it again from the beginning and then we'll go on. Well, we are actually done. I don't know why I said we'll go on. So we're gonna do it from the beginning. 2 times slow, 1's fast. Let's go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Clap. 1, 2. And then smile, not smile, wave, wave. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from the beginning once again. Fast. And that's it. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, smile, not smile, wave, wave. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Remember, you have to cut the song, so when you actually choose the track, you're gonna have to cut it a little bit, but that's the end of the dance. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what other dances you would like to see, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!